Hi guys, welcome to another RocketCake tutorial. Today we will talk about variable fonts. Let's go to Google Fonts. And on the list here we see some fonts. Roboto has 12 styles. And here we see some variable fonts. Outfit, M+1 and Open Sans. Now what does it mean? We can see that here is a railway and its font weight can go from 100 to 900 in 100 jumps. But when it's variable, here is the slider and we can change the width basically not in 100 jumps but one by one, very gradually. And here it can be italic and normal. Now let's go to Open Sans. It can only go from 300 to 800, but we see three sliders here. It can be normal and italic. Its weight can go from 300 to 800. And interestingly, its width can go from 75 to 100. So let's set it. I want a normal one. Let's set the weight to, well, okay, it's 555 and the width, well, let it be 90. Okay, this is how it looks. And how do we make it work in RocketCake? Here on the right, let's click select this style and it generates codes for us. Let's copy it and let's paste it into RocketCake. This goes to the header. Here it is. I press an enter so the code looks nice. Let's go back here. Let's copy the CSS rules. Let's paste it in here. Let's put a space before and after. And okay. So we have this Open Sans font. So let's write Open Sans here. Let's center it. Let's make it blue. And here we write Open Sans, comma, space, enter. Now let's see how it looks. Preview. Here is our Open Sans text. We can check it. That's how it looks here. Now if we want to change it, then we can go to our code and we can say let it be 300. Preview. Yeah, we can see the difference. It can go up to how much? 800. So Let it be 800. Preview. Yeah, it's much bolder. It can go from 75 to 100, so let's try this. Yeah, it's 75. And it can be 100. Yeah, so this is what we can do with these variable fonts. Let's do it also with a serif font, just to see and for fun. Let's find a variable serif font. Here is one, Playfair Display, a very elegant font. So it goes from regular, so the font weight goes from 400 to 900. In this case, let's make it italic. And the font weight, yeah, that's how it looks. I love it, very nice. So let it be italic, and well, let's go 600. Well, not exactly 600, let's say 643. Okay, let's select this style. So this adds this code here. Let's copy this. Let's overwrite the codes here. Copy, paste it among the CSS styles. Okay. So we have Playfair Display. And here we say Playfair Display, comma, space, enter. Okay. Let's preview it. Here we are. It's italic, and the font weight is 643. So let's see when the weight is 400 and 900. This is 400 preview. Yeah, it's thinner. Let it be 900 preview, and it's bolder. And let's see what it's like when it's not italic. We can put a 0 here. Preview. Here it is. So that's it. Quite simple. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, I'm very happy. Have a beautiful day. God bless you. Bye bye.